Today I show you how I update my Sony Xperia 1 Mark V to the first update after getting Android 15. So I already have Android 15 and I have here, I have the headphones connected. I think they're still connected, or not sure. They got disconnected, but headphones don't matter here. What matters is the update. So I have the system update and it's a pretty decent size, I guess. So this is the version 67.2.A.2.60 and it's 597 megabyte. So what's happening with YouTube, and sometimes some apps they just they get stuck and it shows this notification to stop the process or wait, I guess. You might try to watch some video and then you will freeze, the YouTube will freeze. Sometimes the search box would show in a strange way there, not really working. So I don't know, it was really strange. Some apps, they would just hang, they don't work properly. And I'm hoping that this is going to fix it. I want to show you one thing now. I want to show you that it's doing this with the Xperia logo, and I'm curious if it fixed it. So while I'm doing this, I'll plug it in. Plug the phone in to charge. The phone is starting, and when it's switching to 4K, because I have the phone set in 4K mode, the Xperia logo will get really big. Look how it's doing it. And I'm curious if they fixed it after this update. So that's the Xperia logo, and then it goes there below, because the phone switched to 4K. So I did a restart now on the phone and it's starting, so not a problem. This quick settings menu, I guess you get used to it. It's not really a big deal. I just want to change the colors a little bit for the video, so it's not too much of this bluish hint. Maybe it's better to have it like this. I guess it looks nicer on the camera with these lights here. So let's start the update. To do the update, you go into settings and then all the way to system and system updates. Here I can find the same update. I will press update to start downloading it, so I save some time. Here it's 597.4 megabytes. It should download pretty quickly, this thing, I believe. I have it plugged in the charger, and there are sometimes some of the apps they get stuck. It tells you to wait for the app to close. I think they're trying to close apps too quickly. I'm not sure. Yeah, you see it just happened now. So just some apps, they will stop working. And actually that one is always doing it now in Android 15, but maybe it's not updated. So I'm not sure about this. But the YouTube app has some issues, it's doing the same. And now it's installing. This is going to take some time. The update is not very large. Before that, let's look at the app info. So the Videography Pro app version, that's the Videography Pro app version. Right there, the Photography Pro app version. Photography Pro app version there. And where is it? The Cinema Pro app. If you care about the Music Pro app, that's the version. And where is the Cinema Pro app? Cinema Pro app info. Right, it's the version there. And the Video Pro app works. I can record the video. Sometimes it's lagging when it's trying to stop the recording. It gets a bit lagging, so I don't know. Maybe they fixed something with that. I'm not sure. And that's the Photo Pro app. You don't want to see my keyboard full of dust. So let's switch between lenses. I think it's working fine. And you can switch to this 85mm lens and switch to the 16, the ultra wide. Everything is normal. I hope it's still like this after the update. And let's see what's happening. It's still installing. So I will let it finish. I will let it install all the way to step 3, and then do restart and hope all the problems are solved magically. The current version now is 67.2.A.2.41. That's the current version before the first update. That was the Android 15 update, and now we're installing the first update after Android 15. Let's see. It's step 2 of 3, 89% now. It's getting there. I still have it plugged in. So sometimes with these updates, the last step, the third step, is pretty fast. So I thought I would start recording it and see how it goes now. It's 18:11, 6 and 11 minutes. You can see the time when I started at the beginning of the video to know how long the update takes to complete. It's usually taking at least half hour. So 99%. Maybe it will go straight to asking for a restart. We'll see now. Installing update, step 3 of 3. Yeah, I think it shows 100%. Is it? Yeah, so it's finished. It's interesting since they did the Android 15, the step 3, it's always really fast. So now it's ready. 6 and 11, 18 and 12 minutes. 18:11, 6 and 11 minutes. But you still have to restart for the update to complete. So let's do the restart. Now I have a memory card in the phone and the SIM card. If there are any boot loop issues, like the phone gets stuck on the Sony logo or it gets stuck on the Xperia logo, it vibrated. So that's good. It could happen if it gets stuck. We'll see. So still on the Sony logo, taking a bit longer than usual. Come on. I'm curious if they fixed the Xperia logo problem. Probably not. What do you think? Did they fix the Xperia logo when it shows too big here on 4K mode? We'll see about this. I keep my hand on the phone to feel if there is any vibration or if it's trying to restart. Okay, Android, Xperia, and it gets bigger. No, I think they fixed that. The Xperia logo doesn't get bigger, so they did. No, it does. For sure, the same thing. Okay, the phone is restarted now, and I have to enter the PIN. Okay, I entered the PIN, and the phone is trying to start now. Let's see. Finishing system update. That's interesting logo there. I find that logo interesting. I'm still working on the update, but it's like finished, almost like finished. It should show notification here when it's really finished, when the updates are completed. But I could actually go in the meantime and see in the Play Store security. Let's try security, I think. Yeah. So the software update, new software version installed successfully. Okay, that's great. So now we are on Xperia system update. It says again available. I don't understand this. So I saw an app get stuck again. So I think that app is always getting stuck. Security update, Google Play Store security update. Here I'm checking to see if there is update. Let's see if there is any update. And Android version 15, nothing to update there. I could check now in the This is the build number 67.2.A.2.60. Now we are at this version. This is the first update after getting Android 15, and this is the Video Pro app, and that's the version number of the Video Pro app. I think it increased, or not sure. I will check later in the video and put in the description if any of these got changed. That's the Photography Pro app version, and the Music Pro app, if you care about the Music Pro app, that's the version right there. And where is it? The Cinema Pro app. This is the version here for Cinema Pro app. Let's see if the Video Pro app works. I can still record the video. I can switch between lenses, so that's good. Okay, I'll switch to 24mm, and that's the Photo Pro app. It still works. There is the 2x zoom here. I don't know, some were saying that it's not available. I think it's available, maybe it's another mode, but I'm not sure. On the main lens there is 1x zoom and 2x zoom, so this was always there. Maybe I got confused with something else. So that's it. Phone is working still, and I'm not sure about the YouTube app. Maybe the YouTube app, it might still do the same problem. I don't know, but I have to use it. I have to use the phone and see if there is any problem left with the YouTube app or any other apps crashing. Some apps, they might be crashing because they are not really super compatible with the Android 15, but YouTube app should be working well, and the phone seems okay. It did the update. The big Xperia logo is still there, so because this is happening, because the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V has the 4K display, they added the feature to run in 4K mode, and I have it in 4K mode, and that's why it shows the big Xperia logo. And I thought they fixed it, but turns out they didn't really fix it yet. But it's not really a big problem. I would really prefer it if they fix the YouTube crashes. Thanks for watching. It's safe so far to do it. Phone is still working, so still working. Battery is still working. Thanks for watching. Now I can unplug the phone and use it normally.